Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me that why their surface is very slow and the performance of device is super weak. How you can fix that? As you can see in my Microsoft Surface, we have the Intel Pentium with 1.6 GHz of speed. And then you can see the real speed in my CPUs is only 0.8 GHz. Is super slow, so it makes this Microsoft Surface super lag and you cannot do any tasks. It's very easy to understand. The main reason cause these problems is the power performance mode related to the batteries. So what you can do here is you go to start icon over here and you search for settings. You will see the system setting over here. You will choose this one and you open the system setting homepage. Now you will navigate to the system over here and you can see we have the option called power and battery. You will choose this option. Okay, you can see we are in 73% and we have the estimate time remaining over here. You can see the option called power mode. This one is very important. We have two kind of options. The first option is plug-in power mode and the second is on battery power mode. As you see, my device settings are in best power efficiency. That means it's lower down all the speed of the CPUs, of the RAMs, of the internet, of everything to make the battery life of this device is maximum and you can use as long as you can. But it will cause a problem like this. It's only have 0.8 GHz and it's very lagging. So the easier way you can do is to change this option to best performance on both batteries or plug-in. I will choose best performance for every two of option over here. After you change the power mode to best performance, you can check the task manager again and you can see the speed is almost 1.6 GHz for CPU. You can see the device now is very fast. It's very much faster compared to the best performance and efficiency over here. So that is a very simple way for you to check in your Microsoft Surface setting and enable the best performance of power mode. Okay, that's all my videos. If my videos helpful, please give me a like and subscribe and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.